Hi, I'm Charles McDonald from Missouri State Fair Community College, Boonville campus. We're here today to make an electrochemical battery. To make an electrochemical battery, you need one electrolyte and two electrodes. One electrode has to have a higher electronegativity. This electrode is going to be called the cathode. The other electrode is going to be called an anode. For today, for our electrolyte, we're going to use a potato. Our cathode is going to be a copper-plated nail. And our anode is going to be a galvanized steel nail, which means it's covered in zinc. You will also need something to test your battery. For this experiment, we're going to use a multimeter, and multimeter just measures the voltage, and you can change what current you're measuring. And if you're connecting more than one to get a higher voltage, you're going to need alligator clip test leads. Okay, so you want to insert your copper into one side. Get it nice and pretty deep in there. The more contact, the better. And same with this. You don't want them really close to each other, because if the metals touch, then it'll undo the effect. So, let's go ahead and test this battery. We take our multimeter and we dial it to 10 on DCV. And then we touch the red to the cathode and the black to the anode. And as you can see, we hit up to that second mark on there just with this one potato. Okay. So, to make higher voltage, you can add more potatoes together, or it's easier to just use more metal. Stick more in there. I'm going to take a penny this time. Just jab this penny in. And let's see what we've got now. Whoa, up to the fourth mark now on that. So let's see what happens when we take two of them and hook them together. I already have one made with a bunch of metal in it. And we're just going to take and use our alligator clip, and we're going to connect one anode to one cathode, leaving one and one open on either. And we just come over and we put them together and zoom up to that first big mark on there. Should be 25, draining a little bit, but still pretty good. Let's see what happens if we add yet another one. So we take that, we take another set of alligator clips, and again we hook one cathode to one anode, which I said that opposite. That's the cathode, and this is the anode. So we just come over here and we test the ones that are still open. Yeah. That's not bad. Potato power. Okay, you can use other things outside of a potato also. You can use lemons, you can use avocados, you can use a carrot. I will show you. Take a piece of copper, do the same as you did with the potato. And I'm just going to put the galvanized nail in. And let's see what we hit on the meter. Not much at all, but there is still some. See what happens if we add more of each. stab a few nails in. That way we've got a good little base going. Stick us another nail in there. Let's see if we've gotten any better. A little bit. About as much as a little less than our first potato. But, as you can see, it still produced some electricity. So, you can make a battery out of a carrot, but it'll take a lot more carrots and a lot more nails to complete. So, we've got another potato, and here's another potato. We'll just go ahead and get it ready. Let's see what we can get up to with just a few potatoes. Okay. So, get some more alligator clips. You can buy these down at an auto parts store. They're like $4, or you can make your own. You just take a piece of wire and you can buy the clips on your own and connect the clips to a piece of wire, but I just did it this way because it was easier for me. Okay, so we connect this one to this one, and we will connect this one to here and here. Click it on a better one. Okay, so then we still have one cathode available and one anode. So let's see what we get up to with 5 potatoes and a lot of copper and galvanized nails. Oh yeah. Jumped almost right up to 50 on that. Uh-oh. There it goes. Alright. And that completes the experiment. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.